Hello, my name is Peter Parfitt and welcome to New Brick Workshop. Now, my charging area here for batteries and various other bits and pieces has always been a bit of a mess, and so it was time to tidy it up. Now, I've built this sort of charging station. I think that's probably the best thing to call it. This one's for my batteries for my Trend powered respirator. Now, things that need to be in a static position because they've got a wire attached to them, like the charger for the walkie-talkie, just sits on this shelf, and this is its little plug here. Similarly, this charging adapter has a plug in the top and it will sit there all the time. Other things, I've just got them this is another charger which plugs straight in, and so on. So what I've got is, this is always going to be live, power is always going to go to this, and then I just plug in the item that I want to have charged. This, that, there's another one here, whatever it might be. And I will write on the back of all of them, as I've done here, what the item is, so that I know what I'm charging. So I needed a way of sort of parking those things that I don't need to be plugged in at any given time, and putting those that need to be in use into the power distribution thing here. Now, if I'd had one of these gadgets which had a switch associated with each of the sockets, then that would be fine, but I don't, and I wasn't going to pay for a brand new one. I had this already, and so I thought it a good idea to have this scheme. It's not a work of art, but what I'm showing you in this video is this actual piece here. And this is the piece where all of the unused plugs can be parked when they're not in use. And that way it helps keep things tidy rather than having multiple chargers sitting on my bench top here, or multiple leads dangling down which might get damaged in some way. So there we have it, and this little shelf behind provides a useful area for those things which need to be kept close to their chargers. Now, this is a CNC project, and I will be providing the file in Vectric format to anyone who requires it. Well, that's that very simple bit of CNC work done. Of course, you can adjust this to suit the type of plug wherever you are in the world, but this is a UK one. These are slightly elongated because I don't want to bother about getting square edges. It would be terribly difficult with the CNC anyway. So here's the finished item. It's got 8 positions, and bits and pieces just push in like so, and they stay there perfectly happily. Now to fit it to my little charging station. Well, that's it. I can now sort everything out. I've got that actually charging right now. This one's not in use. I will be providing the file in Vectric format to anyone who requires it. Please just send me an email. Go to the top page in my YouTube channel, find the About tab, press on that and you'll find an email address, make the request. And please say what it is you want, otherwise you might get something completely different. And I'll send you the Vectric file. Such a simple little thing, but it is a quite useful little organizer. Many thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.